What if we told you that the key to understanding Neolithic society wasn't just found in pottery or tools, but locked inside human teeth? And that this evidence points to a massive cross-country migration network, one that was primarily led by women?
The Stone Age Exodus. Were women archaeology's first pioneers? DNA and isotope analysis. Welcome back to Origins Unearthed. Today, we're diving into a groundbreaking study from the University of Durham that uses cutting-edge science to rewrite our understanding of social structures in the Stone Age. A research team led by the brilliant Eva Fernandez Dominguez undertook a massive task. They analyzed the teeth of 71 individuals from 5 different Neolithic sites in Syria, dating back an incredible 11,600 to 7,500 years. This was a pivotal time when humanity was first settling down, farming, and building complex communities. But how do you track a prehistoric traveler? The answer lies in bioarchaeology and isotope analysis. As our teeth form in childhood, they absorb chemical signatures from our local environment, specifically strontium and oxygen isotopes from the water we drink and the food we eat. These isotopes create a unique geochemical postcode that is permanently recorded in our dental enamel. By analyzing this enamel, scientists can determine if a person grew up in the place they were buried or if they migrated from a geologically different region. So what did the data reveal? It was a pattern the researchers couldn't ignore. By the end of the Neolithic period, there was a clear trend. Women were significantly more likely to have moved between communities than men. Think about that. This isn't just a story of random wanderers. This suggests a systematic, cultural practice of female exogamy, where women would leave their birth communities to join new ones, likely for marriage. This practice was crucial for building alliances, preventing inbreeding, and sharing genetic and cultural knowledge across the vast landscapes of the ancient Near East. But here's the most fascinating part. The team didn't stop at the migration data. They cross-referenced it with the burial context. Did these immigrants receive different funerary treatments? Were they seen as outsiders in death? The answer was a resounding no. The archaeological evidence showed that both locals and non-locals were buried in exactly the same way, with similar grave goods and rituals. This is a massive clue. It tells us that these women weren't just passing through or being captured. They were being fully integrated into their adopted communities. They became part of the social fabric, receiving the same respect in death as those born and raised there. This points to a surprisingly sophisticated and inclusive social structure. So this study from Durham University does more than just track movement. It uses the hard data of isotope analysis to paint a human picture of Neolithic life, a picture of interconnected villages, of women as the bridges between cultures, and of communities that welcome newcomers as their own. It reminds us that the past is dynamic, and with new technologies, we can uncover the intimate stories of people who lived thousands of years ago. What do you think about this discovery? Does the idea of a Stone Age matri mover change your view of prehistoric societies? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed digging into this story, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more weekly insights from the world of archaeology. Until next time, keep exploring.